Mesa Verde National Park. Mesa Verde National Park, and there's caves where it's from like cavemen writing in it and stuff, I guess. So yeah. How's your day? Horrible, I don't even want to talk about it. You never asked me about my day. Max, tell us about the horses in America. Or America or whatever.
What did I got about the horse?
I don't really care about this.
What? Well, when before we are going, yeah, but not on the top of the mountain.
That's after. Tell Haleigh about before. I don't really care about this book. You don't want a badge? I don't tell. What badge? Tell Haleigh about before. Tell me about the
It looks like New York because you know has horses, and I saw horses.
Can you be louder? I can't hear you.
I saw horses for New York, and New York has horses. I saw horses. I'll get loud.
I don't know. Look at it. I can't. Winding roads. We're on the top of a mountain.
This is beginners.
All the way
I'll put your
over
right
there.
where you like best. I'm trying to get some.
Today we're in
I'm gonna eat a peanut.
Mesa Verde National Park in Cortez, and we're going to Mesa Verde National Park to go see one of America's landmarks, and we're also going to see some, I think it's petroglyphs that are pictures Indians and people used to use to tell stories, and some old dwellings that are built into some rocks and caves, and we're going to go see what that looks like today.
And we get in free. Thanks, Miles.
That was the worst description I've ever heard.
And we get in free. Thanks, Miles.
You're welcome.
4th grader.
No, it's Lewis.
Hey, here we are at Mesa Verde National Park. We're about to go in the visitor center, which has some great stuff to look at. And look at this statue here.
Mom, where are they?
Cool, right?
Mom, where are they?
We're gonna go in a second.
Mom, where are they?
So we're gonna go get some tour tickets, and maybe some of the big kids will do one of the climbing tours, and there's also a 6-mile scenic drive we'll do. And
Wait, what time are we going?
check out this view.
What time are we going to the duck pond?
And then later we're gonna meet up with my motorcycle renegade uncles to feed the ducks. It was their idea. Isn't that funny? All right, catch you later. taking forever to get down this mountain. So, Dad, do that time travel thing.
Time travel? Yeah, when it makes it go fast. Oh, no.
How do I do that?
I don't know. How do we do time travel?
You have to be out of
Oh, I know how. I know how.